Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds! Today we're making an American classic that I personally have never tried before. I've tried grilled cheese, but I've never had tomato soup. Let's get it. Alrighty, first thing we're going to want to do is chop up a shallot. Depending on how much garlic you like, you can add in 1 to 3 cloves of garlic. I really like garlic, so I'm doing 3. And it doesn't have to be anything too fancy because I'm going to blend it up later. You just want it to be enough to where the garlic can cook. Over medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll let that melt. Once the butter is almost melted, we're going to add our shallots to the party. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our garlic. And we're going to fry that until it's nice and fragrant. After about a minute or so, we're going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. We're going to add some oregano. And for a little kick, we're going to add some red chili flakes. And now we're going to add a whole can of San Marzano tomatoes. Make sure you break up the tomatoes a little bit. It'll help it when it's blending. And we're going to take that tomato cup, add a little bit of water in there, try to get the rest of that tomato out, and pour it in as well. And then you're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once it starts simmering, we're going to cover it and let it sit for about an hour. So, see you later. Be sure to stir occasionally so that it doesn't burn, and add a little bit of water every now and then as needed. After letting it simmer for about an hour, we're going to add everything to a blender. Now, according to J. Kenji Lopez Alt, he's a YouTuber chef, you're going to add some crustless bread. Apparently, this is going to help with the creaminess of it. Now, we're going to add some dark brown sugar. We're also going to add a little bit of salt. And some freshly ground black pepper. And now we blend. Every couple seconds, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil and continue blending. Be sure to taste for seasoning as you go. That's actually pretty good. Now it's time for my favorite part, the grilled cheese. You're gonna butter one side of your bread, put it down in a medium to low heat pan, and then we're gonna layer on some white American cheese right there, and some more white American cheese. I will also be adding some cheddar left over from my buffalo chicken dip recipe the other day. Never have too much cheese. And we're gonna top it off with more white American. And another one. And then we're gonna crown it with our other piece of buttered bread. And now we wait. After a couple minutes, we're gonna check on it. It's looking good. Now we're gonna carefully flip this over. Ooh, look at that beauty. Oh yeah. That is looking good. And then to make sure that neither side burns, you can just keep flipping it until the cheese has melted. My cheese is taking a little bit long to melt, but it's almost there. Once your cheese is nice and melted, it's ready to eat. You know what time it is. It's Munch Time, baby. Grilled cheese by itself. Bon appetit. It's a regular grilled cheese, my guy. Now let me try this tomato soup that everybody's been hyping up, you know. Bon appetit. Oh, yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Ooh, that turned out really good. That's some good shit right there. I love that nice little kick from the peppers. You know, I'm African, so it needs to have a little bit of kick in there, you know. Oh, that's right. I gotta dunk it. I see why I like this. This is some good stuff. It was really good. Alright, finish the sandwich. Or half the sandwich, at least. It goes without saying, this is most definitely Cheedo-delicious. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment, subscribe. And if you have any tips for maybe how I could change this tomato soup, it's turned out pretty good to me, but you know, maybe someone else has a better idea of what I could have done differently. But yeah, otherwise, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.